Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Red blood cells. Red blood cells are key to life. Red blood cells are also called erythrocytes. They are constantly traveling through your body, delivering oxygen and removing waste. If they didn't do their job, you would slowly die. Red blood cells contain a protein called hemoglobin that gives blood its red color. Hemoglobins contain iron, which makes it an excellent vehicle for transporting oxygen and carbon dioxide. As blood passes through the lungs, oxygen molecules attach to the hemoglobin. When the blood passes through the body tissues, the hemoglobin releases oxygen to the cells. The entire hemoglobin molecules then bound with the tissues, carbon dioxide or other waste gases to transport them away. The mature human red blood cells is small, round and biconcave in shape. It appears dumbbell shape in profile. The cell is flexible and assumes a bell shape as it passes through the extremely small blood vessels. It is covered with a membrane composed of lipids and proteins, lacks a nucleus and contains hemoglobin. The function of red blood cells, its hemoglobin is to carry oxygen from lungs to all the body tissues and carry carbon dioxide and a waste product of metabolism to the lungs where it excreted. How red blood cells developed? Red blood cells precursors known as erythroblasts pass through the several stages of differentiation as they develop to maturity. Early in the process, they are crowded with the ribosomes, which manufacture proteins including oxygen-carrying hemoglobin that will eventually take up almost all the spaces inside the cell. Meanwhile, the cell continues shrinking. Their nuclei are finally ejected shortly before the cell leaves the bone marrow. At this stage, the red cells still a contained network of ribosomes are called reticulocytes. But this network soon dissolves, leaving the familiar supple and slightly concave disc-shaped red cells that constitute half the volume of the blood, which ultimately become a fully mature red cells. The average red cells in human lives 100 to 120 days. There are some 5.2 million red cells per cubic millimeter of blood in the adult human. Though the red cells are usually round, a small portion are oval in the normal person. In certain hereditary states, a higher portion may be oval. Some diseases also display red blood cells a normal shape. Example, oval and precious anemia, crescent shaped in sickle cell anemia, and with projection giving a thorny appearance in the hereditary disorder echinocytosis. The number of red cells and the amount of hemoglobin vary among different individuals and under different conditions. Thanks.